This video is going to cover how to add photos to pages and to products. First, you're going to log into Joomla as you normally would, and once you're located in the Joomla dashboard, you're going to go ahead and click on Content at the top and go into the article section. You can see here we click on Content, and then we go into the Article Manager. Here you will see every page of your website outlined, and you can go ahead and add in the actual pictures to individual pages. For example, if you'd like to add a photo to the About Us, you will click on the About page, and essentially you will be able to actually edit the page. Here you can see we're on the About page, and here is the content, the new content that we've added in the page editor. In order to add a photo, you're going to simply place your cursor wherever you would like the photo to be. Let's say we want it to go on the right hand side of the page. We would go ahead and place our cursor at the top of the content, and we will try to place the photo over here on the right. When you want to add a photo or edit a photo, you're going to be able to click on this Insert Edit Image option in the editor, and this is going to access a special module that you have on your website. Now, once you click into this module, you're going to be in what we call automatically the root folder. Here you can see in the root folder we actually have a few different photos to choose from. So here, if we scroll down, are some stock images that have already been used on the site before that are still in here. There is an empty folder called Stories, so in the future, if you would like to upload pictures into a special folder, I would say you could use this Stories folder since it's empty. But many photos can also be uploaded to the root. So let's say we wanted to choose a photo to add to this page. If the photo that you want is already currently on the site, you simply have to select that photo here, and you can see the preview over here on the right hand side. And then once you've chosen the photo, you're going to make a couple of decisions. First of all, you're going to go up here and tell it how you want it aligned. I would say that you typically want photos to be aligned to the right of the text. Sometimes you may want it top or bottom, or on the left side, or in the middle. So you can choose any of these alignments so that you find the best layout on the page. The next thing you're going to want to do is, just in case the text and the photo are close together, you may want to add 3 to 5 pixels under margin for top. This will put a space of around 5 pixels around the photo so that no text is bunched up against it. Once you've adjusted those two things, you can scroll down and click the Insert button. Now you can see it has inserted the photo into the page. You also have the ability to make this box a little bit larger if you'd like more space. Since this photo is a little bit too large, one of the things we'd want to do is click on it, scroll down, and you can grab this corner by clicking. And now you will be able to actually shrink the size of the photo just by clicking and dragging. So here you can see I'm making it larger and smaller. I can shrink it down until I feel it's an appropriate size for the page. Sometimes you may figure out that a photo that is vertically oriented does not lay out well with just a small amount of text. So you may want to choose a photo that's more horizontally oriented if it looks better. But you can see I can even make the photo larger again if I'd like to by simply clicking and dragging. Once I'm done making changes to the photo, I want to scroll up and click Save or Save and Close. Now, if you have a brand new photo that you'd like to upload, you have a couple of extra steps. First of all, you will use the same Insert Edit button in order to go ahead and add photos. Essentially, if you click on this and hit the delete button, you can take it out, and let's say you want to add a new photo. Then what you're going to do is click this same Insert Edit Image button, And instead of choosing a photo from the folders, you're going to use this upload button. This will allow you to choose a photo from your desktop by dragging and dropping here. It will also allow you to adjust the size if you'd like right here in the actual upload. So here's an example. If I wanted to pull this photo in, I would click on it on my desktop and drop it right here and it would upload. Once it is uploaded in this area, you'll see there's an upload button. Click that button and it will add the photo into the root folder. You could, as I said, click Stories and also add any special photos you want separated into the Stories folder. But most things will automatically upload into the root, and then you will see the name of the new photo file in the list. You simply have to find the new photo that you've uploaded, click on it, and then follow the same process that I just showed you by clicking Insert, and then it will add the photo to the page. Now again, you can click on the photo to see these small squares, and then you can change the size. At any point, you can also click on the photo and then click on this icon and adjust the orientation or alignment. Here you can see you can do left, right, top, middle, or bottom, and you can also add a margin of space, usually 5 pixels, between the photo and the text. Again, if you want to remove a photo, simply click on it and hit the delete button and it will remove it. Always remember while you're doing your work to click the Save button and continue editing, or to click Save and Close. When you click Save and Close, it will take you back to a list of the pages. As you can see, again, here's a list of all the pages on your website, so choose whichever one you would like to edit. You can also see at the bottom here 1, 2, and 3. If you click Next, the list of pages will continue. So always make sure that you're editing the correct page. I'm not sure exactly which pages you want to edit outside of About Us, but you'll just want to look at the names until you find the correct one. In addition, on products, if you'd like to change any images, you're simply going to go into Shop and into Products. In this area, you're going to be able to choose any of these products to go ahead and edit them. By clicking on the name, it will open a product editing area. Now you can see in the area where we have all the product information, there is a product image section for small, medium, and large images. If you click Select, it will take you into a number of product images that are already on the website. You can see here you can change folders. There is a folder called Products, so you can go through the folders and find any existing photos that you need currently on the site and then go ahead and use them. You can also scroll down, browse your desktop, and upload new photos of products as well. Once you've uploaded the new photo of the product, it will be in whatever folder you have shown here. And then you will simply choose the photo you'd like to upload and click Insert. So those are the two ways to change photos on the pages and photos in the product area. Always remember when you're done to save and close your work. And when you're completely finished, always remember to log out of your Joomla system in order to maintain your security. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.